Hello, and welcome to the fourth module of our course on 3D printing for successful business. In this session, we will explore the different types of 3D printers available and help you determine which one is the best fit for your business needs. Types of 3D printers. The world of 3D printing technology has evolved rapidly in recent years, and there is a wide range of printers to choose from. Let's dive into the main categories and their key characteristics. Fused Deposition Modeling (FDM) printers. These are the most commonly used 3D printers, known for their affordability and ease of use. FDM printers work by extruding melted plastic filament layer by layer to create 3D objects. They are a great option for beginners and can handle a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, and PETG. Stereolithography (SLA) printers. SLA printers use a laser or light source to cure and solidify liquid resin, layer by layer, to produce highly detailed and accurate 3D prints. These printers excel at creating intricate designs, prototypes, and dental and medical applications. However, they tend to be more expensive and require more maintenance than FDM printers. Selective Laser Sintering (SLS) printers. SLS printers use a high-powered laser to fuse and bind powdered materials, such as nylon or metal, to create 3D objects. This technology allows for the production of complex, durable, and functional parts. SLS printers are often used for manufacturing, engineering, and industrial applications. Digital Light Processing (DLP) printers. DLP printers use a digital light projector to cure liquid resin, similar to SLA technology. They are known for their fast printing speeds and the ability to produce high-resolution prints. DLP printers are commonly used for jewelry, dentistry, and small-scale manufacturing. Choosing the right printer. When selecting the 3D printer that's right for your business, consider factors such as the type of products or prototypes you plan to create, the level of detail and precision required, your budget and available workspace, the materials you need to work with, the volume and speed of production you require. Carefully evaluate your business needs and research the various printer options to find the one that will best support your 3D printing venture. Remember, choosing the right 3D printer is a crucial decision that can significantly impact the success of your business. In the upcoming modules, we'll dive deeper into selecting materials, managing your workflow, and building a sustainable 3D printing enterprise. If you're ready to take your business to the next level with the power of 3D printing, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming lessons. Let's unlock the full potential of this revolutionary technology together.